I love the glow it's giving, guys. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is not a self-help video. This is a self-care video. I've been wanting to create a makeup video or a skincare video since my makeup routine has changed a lot. Last time I posted a makeup routine video, it was like around 4 years ago. And I also deleted that video. I used to have a lot of steps to it, but as I grew up, I have lost the energy to apply so much on my face and go out. I don't like to carry out a lot of steps for makeup, especially when it's summer season or rainy season, and currently it's rainy season. It's literally raining outside. So here's my updated makeup routine, and I have the least amount of products today. Let's begin with the first step. Before you apply anything on your face, make sure you have a clean face. Like, wash your face with the face wash you're supposed to use. The second step is, of course, your skincare. For my skincare, I only use like 3 to 4 products, not a lot of like 6 step, 7 step stuff. I've seen this top girly on Instagram a lot, and she's like, whatever product you use anywhere on your skin, just do top. Even though I have done my skincare, I have applied a little bit of moisturizer to my face. What I love to do when I go out with less amount of makeup is, it's the like easiest thing you can do is take a foundation. You need to shake it first. After shaking it, like, put some on your hand. Only this much, I don't take much. I know the shade isn't that matching, but okay, whatever. Next thing I do is take some moisturizer. Take just a little bit amount, pea-sized, put it on the foundation and mix it. Oh, it will look like a skin tint and you can easily blend it into your face. Holy moly, guys, look at the shade match. So I just apply it under my eyes and all over my face. It's just works like a skin tint, so I love it. Look at this. And does it feel like I have worn any makeup on my face? I literally apply it like a moisturizer. This already is giving me a flawless look. But if it's not my face, if it's someone else's face, I feel dark circles look quite sexy. Like, have you seen the models? Oh my god. Next thing I like to go on is wet compact powder. Because I sweat a lot, guys. I sweat a lot and I like to keep things clean. Just take a brush. This is a blush brush, but I use it for my compact as well. Who cares? Now I just place it under my eyes and only onto the areas where I sweat a lot. Here. Next is everyone's favorite, guess, blush, of course. I like to use the creamy one because it tends to blend in very perfectly, and then if it's too light, I go in with the powder one. I go in with the creamy one first. Not a lot. Lift it. I go in with the powder one now. To put a bit on my nose and here. Next I go in with a liner, a very subtle like wing up till here. Now I do get mood swings and I try out a lot of different eyeshadow techniques or styles, but I'm not gonna do that today since I wanna keep it very simple. Next I go in with my lip liner. I just line underneath over here, then I just do this to hide the fact that I line my lips. I go in over here. I have that very typical Bengali type of lip, like sharp mountain kind of, I don't know how to say that. That's all. I go in with the same creamy blush for my lips shade. If I want something light, this is what I go with. Again with my fingers, I just place it on my lower lip like this. Next I blend it with my upper lip like this. Last but not the least, I go in with my very cheap lip oil, bro. It's very cheap. It's like from a local store. It's my favorite, like I love it. Now to set all this in and still keep my like kinda glowy finish, I go in with this, the Dalba First Spray Serum. I'm in love with this one. I got this in a PR to create content and I just fell in love with it. It's almost over. Few people used it like more than I'm supposed to use it, so I'm kind of sad because I can't afford it right now, but it's my favorite. Oh, that's all. That's it. Nothing else. See the glow? This is the most subtle I like to keep my makeup. Looks pretty cute. I love the glow it's giving, guys. I tend to carry a tissue paper with me, so if I do sweat again, I just dab it, not rub it. I dab it around and that's all. That's all. I don't reapply anything else. Don't forget your SPF. I did not apply SPF today because I'm at home. I'm not going outside or anything. I'm just gonna remove them. That's everything for this video. I like to create content around beauty, personal growth, mental growth, and sometimes vlogging if there is something special going on in my life. But other than that, I hope you like this video and I hope you will subscribe. That's all. Bye.